everybody? Well, we're gonna do some vlogging. We're back up here at Sleeping Giant Lanes in Helena, and we're just having some fun. So I figured I'd video it this time. Probably won't post the whole video. I'll probably cut and clip like I usually do when it comes to the video footage. But, you know, I figured I'd record it all in case something epic happens. You know, kind of like a late pinfall strike. Looks like she tried a little too hard on that one, kind of put a little too much finesse in it and it backfired. So, I'm throwing Chewbacca the Wookiee. Yeah. That makes two. That's me.
Because I couldn't hold the line.
Talk about an ultimate way to recover, huh? Get a gutter ball right off the bat, no way to spare up than to go ahead and clean it up. That's three. You know, sometimes I don't understand how it happens. It just happens. By the way, what do you think of the shirt, guys? I know. Does it really? You let me know in the comments down below.
Gotta love gifts for you.
Here we go again. For those of you that always wonder why I call my ball Chewy, right there it is again. Chewbacca. Use your imagination if you have to. But yeah, there's his whole head right there. Wasn't expecting that, but that's all right. Good old spare ball freeze hybrid. I was off by 1 board. Ugh.
That ball does not hold the line like the freeze at all. If I can combine the two, that would be awesome.
Honestly, I think what she needs to do is she just needs to go buy the Revenant. Because that was an awesome ball.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of
That's what I'm talking about. That was so sloppy, but it worked. Nothing better than lazy pins.
Sometimes you have to make a mess to clean it up. That's a mess.
Catch it in the crossfire. Well, you can never blame somebody for going for point, right?
Guess he's bringing home the turkey dinner. Low and slow, and I still miss one.
Yeah, you did. So just in case you were wondering, this is the first game, which means I'm going to go downhill after this. Phone call? I could have swore I heard a telephone ringing. All right, bottom of the 10th. That ball would have went Brooklyn. Well, let's see if we can pick it up. Turns out messengers don't like to be sent up against walls. But anyway, just to show you real quick, check this out, guys. 223, not bad, huh? Not bad. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe if you want to. Like the video if you liked it. Share it with a friend. And we're on to the next game.